Hey everyone, I hope you all are doing well. So as a result, this appears to be the year that Google unveils its first Pixel Watch. A gadget with a round dial has been seen in marketing images a few months back. The watch will run Wear OS and Google will provide it exclusive features that other Wear OS watches won't get, just like it does with the Pixel phones. Before that, the Google Pixel 6a, which is fully expect, and the Google Pixel Watch, which remains a bit a unicorn, have been both listed on US carrier site according to reports, which leads us to believe that the two devices' release dates are approaching. When it comes to the Pixel Watch, LetsGoDigital may have identified one of these features in mid-2020 patented by Google to the World Intellectual Property Organization titled as Skin Interface for Wearables Sensor Fusion to increase signal quality. It means that Pixel Watch users will be able to manage the watch using motions on their skin thanks to the technologies outlined in the patent application. LetsGoDigital thinks a Pixel Buds Pro variation of Google's true wireless earbuds may do something similar. Gestures like swipes and taps are made on the user's skin in area close to where the wearable is worn with the so-called skin interface. The skin interface would provide a new type of input for earphones, smartwatches and possibly smart glasses. Gestures on skin work because they generate a mechanical wave that the wearable gadget can read using numerous sensors and an accelerometer. Sony announced a wide area tap feature for its Link Buds last month that can detect when the user taps on the skin in front of his ear, which follows by an input motion. Looking at the watch design with the single dialer, it appears that Google will employ the skin interface function in the watch. It will not be for all users, but it will let you to do things like open and close apps, scrolling through settings and do other minor tasks. According to the rumors, the upcoming Pixel Watch will be released in May and it will include not only the watch but also the new Pixel 6a smartphone. So what do you think about this Pixel Watch feature? Let me know in the comment section below. With that said, subscribe if you like and I will see you in the next one.